Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore the volume of a sphere. We will learn what it is and exactly how to calculate the space inside it using a special formula. First, let us define what a sphere actually is. A sphere is a perfectly round three-dimensional object. Unlike a circle, which is flat like a pancake, a sphere is round like a ball. Every single point on its surface is the exact same distance from the center. The most important part of a sphere is the radius, represented by the letter r. The radius is the distance from the very center of the sphere to any point on the outside edge. You will need this number for our calculation. So, what is volume? Volume is simply the amount of space inside a three-dimensional object. Imagine if you filled a hollow ball with water. The amount of water it holds is its volume. We measure this in cubic units, like cubic centimeters or cubic meters. Here is the formula for calculating the volume of a sphere. Volume equals 4/3 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius cubed. It might look complex, but it is just 3 parts multiplied together. Let us break that down. First, we have the fraction 4/3, which is a constant number. Next is pi, which is approximately 3.14. Finally, we have the radius cubed, which means multiplying the radius by itself 3 times. Where does this formula come from? The ancient mathematician Archimedes discovered that if you put a sphere inside a cylinder of the same height and width, the sphere takes up exactly 2/3 of the cylinder's volume. That is why we see fractions in the formula. Let us try an example. Suppose we have a sphere with a radius of 3 centimeters. We plug 3 into our formula. 3 cubed is 27. We then multiply 4/3 by 3.14 by 27. The result is approximately 113.04 cubic centimeters. You see spheres everywhere in the real world. A basketball is a sphere filled with air. The Earth is a giant sphere made of rock and water. Even a soap bubble is a perfect sphere of trapped air. To wrap up, remember that a sphere is defined by its center and radius. Volume is the space inside. The formula is 4/3 pi r cubed. As long as you know the radius, you can find the volume of any sphere.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.